Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make KFC Buffalo Ranch sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you're watching on. Please be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, share this video with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making KFC Buffalo Ranch sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got a half a cup of mayo, 3 tablespoons of cayenne pepper sauce, 2 tablespoons of buttermilk, 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of granulated onion, 1/4 teaspoon of dill weed, 1/4 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1/4 each teaspoon of kosher salt and black pepper, and 3/4 teaspoons of paprika. Recipe will be down in the description box with the first pinned comment. Let's go ahead and start mixing this up. All right, got a bowl big enough for this. It's about 3/4 of a cup worth of goodies right here. We go ahead and throw our mayo in. Got our buttermilk, paprika, granulated onion, granulated garlic, salt and pepper, the hot sauce, got to be red cayenne, then you got dill, and you got your parsley. Go ahead and mix this up really well. Alright, there's our sauce. I got some wings coming out of the oven. I'm going to plate those up. We're going to present it with the sauce, take some pictures, throw some music in there. Enjoy the pictures, enjoy the music. We're going to come back and give this a taste. Don't go anywhere. All right, looks good, smells good. I've already tasted this, it is fantastic. But I want to show you here on this wing how well that sauce adheres to the chicken. And you can see all the different things that are in it, the paprika, the parsley, the dill. Now we go in for the bite. Oh yeah. Right away, the creaminess, followed by a little bit of bite. You get that smoothness of the buttermilk, the acidity of the buttermilk, the garlic and the onion, the dill coming through too. Very good. Give it another little bite here. But very creamy, a little bit of a bite from that buffalo. Or cayenne, I mean. A little bit more. You see that? Just, oh, that's really good. It's creamy, it's hot, perfect combination of both. Well, I know what I'm having for lunch. Thanks a lot for watching. We made KFC Buffalo Ranch sauce. It's a good time to point out that I've got my own brand of buffalo seasoning over on my spice shop at itsonlyfood.biz. It's onlyfood.biz. Head over there and you can see all the new ones we've got. I've got 4 new ones. This is one of them, buffalo seasoning. So thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves. We will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.